Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing, I'm going to try to do a black smoky halo eye. I'm kind of scared because I don't really, lately I have, but I wouldn't usually do an all black eye. But today I'm just feeling a smoky eye. I'm going to be using the shade Abyss from the JACLYN Hill palette. It's this matte black. I don't know how black it is. I don't really use this one. Oh, I forgot to prime my eyes. I should take it as a sign as to not do it because you guys already know how that works on my channel. When something goes wrong, everything goes wrong. But I'm just using the Milani eyeshadow primer. I think I'm going to be doing both eyes at the same time just so I can have a more even amount of black. So I'm just going to pack the black on first and then I'm going to blend out because I noticed that is why my black never looked good, because I would blend and blend and blend and I just had to keep reapplying it and it would never show up as much because I was always blending it. So it was taking the color away from it, or the pigment. It's honestly scary. Like, going in with black is not easy. I should have gone with the dark brown. Oh no. I should have. Okay, so we look like that one meme where they mess up their eyeliner and then they keep reapplying the eyeliner until they look like a raccoon. So that's the way you want to look. And then we're just going to blend out with a brush that has no color on it. It's just a clean brush. And you're just blending this. Okay, so you should have something like this. Okay, I don't know if this is the way I want it to be looking. But anyway, you should have something like this. And now, I'm going to be taking this brown color right here. And that one is called Central Park. And I'm going to blend around from where the black is on the top. Just so it won't look that crazy. Actually, it's gonna be looking crazy. There's like no way. Okay, and now I am regretting this. This does not look as good as I planned. This doesn't look good. Anyway, now that you have this mess, you're going to take your concealer. I'm just using the Fit Me concealer. And I think I want it right here. My halo. Is that too high? Okay, that might be too high. Okay, now let me do the other one. Okay, so now you want to just make sure that everything is, the concealer is very sticked on, kind of. So just pat it with your finger. I don't know if I want to use this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, Pooter, and let's see what happens. Okay, I don't like that one. Okay, I'm gonna use this shade Unity in the Prism palette, which is this one. That shade is beautiful. Or too light. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with the pencil brush that I use for the black. And I'm going to try to make the halo into like a V-cut shape. Like a little bit, I don't know how to explain it, but kind of like this, instead of just like that. I think that's it. Now I'm going to clean it up. Okay, and I'm going to be doing my eyeliner and my eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I look kind of crazy, but I have to finish my makeup in the car. So anyway, this is the eyeshadow. I don't think I'm going to do the under eye because I literally don't have time. But yeah, you guys, this is the final look. I mean, not the final look. I'll probably show you guys, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and please comment, share, and go follow me on my Instagram at girlynatalie. I've been posting a lot more on there, so go follow me. And yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, I don't even know if I can see it, but say hi to my YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
Sarah,
I got ready
say
in
hi.
10 minutes. Hi, are you vlogging?
No.
Oh,